Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times before, so that is where the green line annotations are coming from here. But want to get things updated here as there's a very interesting pattern here that's taken shape, and want to map out a couple levels that a whole lot of people are going to be watching. So none of this is supposed to being mean come across as I have some sort of special talent and that these are some sort of great discoveries. Quite the opposite, actually. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of these exact same levels. And I make that comment because when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have, especially here with this green line here at $9.65. I mean, you go through the history of things and you can see acted as support, acted as support, acted as support. A whole bunch of times this morning, acted as support. So moral of the story, a lot of people are watching that, and the dynamic here that really catches my eye is price started up here, pulled back, bounced upwards, and then that's as high as it could go before starting to work its way back downward. So in other words, lower highs. Now, does this mean that this is guaranteed to push down through 965? No, of course not. No such thing as a guarantee. My point is that at least a rational, is that at least a valid thought to have that a break of 965 could be coming? Yeah, it absolutely is. And if that level does occur and that level fails, then again, not a guarantee, but it's more than rational to think that could create quite a bit of downwards pressure. So 965, definitely a level lots of people are going to be watching, and if it fails, then yeah, it would not be shocking to see the momentum pick up quite a bit, which is where this next level of support comes into play down here at 935. So you'll also want to keep an eye on that. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to try to turn around and bounce back upwards, at that point, you'll want to keep a close eye on the purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at 987. But overall, definitely an interesting setup here head into next week, so we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.